Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a UPI QR code on your invoices in Zoho Books. This is a fantastic way to streamline payments by allowing your customers to scan and pay directly through their UPI apps, making transactions faster and more convenient for everyone involved. First, open your web browser and head over to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access settings, as this is where we'll be making all our changes. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will open up the settings menu, which is your control center for customizing how Zoho Books works for your business. From here, scroll down until you find the sales section, then click on invoices. This is where you'll configure how your invoices appear and what features they include. In the invoices settings, you'll see a general tab. Look for the option labeled Invoice QR code and slide the toggle next to it to enable this feature. This action unlocks the ability to add QR codes to your invoices, which is exactly what we need for UPI payments. Once enabled, you'll notice a field called QR code type. Click on this dropdown and select Custom. This option allows you to insert your specific UPI payment information rather than using a generic code. Right next to QR code type, you'll see a Configure button. Click on it to open the configuration window. In this window, you'll need to enter your UPI payment URL. This is the unique identifier that links directly to your UPI account, allowing customers to complete payments seamlessly. After entering your UPI details, click Update to save the QR code configuration. Now that your QR code is configured, we need to make sure it actually appears on your invoices. Go back to Settings, then navigate to Customization, followed by PDF templates, and finally Invoices. This is where you control the visual layout of your invoice documents. Edit your current invoice template, and as you scroll through the options, find the checkbox labeled Show Invoice QR Code. Make sure this box is checked, as this ensures the UPI QR code will be visible on every invoice you generate. Once you've checked the box, click Save to apply all your changes, and that's it. Your invoices will now display a UPI QR code that customers can scan with their payment apps to pay you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.